Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a thrift try on. This thrift try on is from a UK based brand called Pre-One. I love most of their pieces. They actually cover some budget friendly fast fashion brands like Shein and all that jazz, and also they cover high street brands like Zara, H&M. This brand I'm wearing is Banana Republic, though I'm a little disappointed about it all, but we'll get into it when I start the review of the items I got. Then you can also get designer pieces. Like I missed the opportunity to get the Michael's bag for just £6. Yes, it's true, £6. Very cheap items. These items are collected from influencers that are selling off their items at a very ridiculous price, and also anybody that's willing to sell their rich pieces. Authentication of these designer pieces, I can't really say if it's true because I didn't really get designer pieces from them, but all I can say is that all the items are fine and okay, and also when it comes to thrift item, you can decide to alter them to fit. For this one, I actually tailored it to fit because I was not liking the vibe it was given when I got it. Two of the pieces I got was tailored to fit. So let's get into the review of the item. Is this blouse? It's a very thin knit sweater top. I got it because I wanted something that is grey from Banana Republic. I've always wanted to try Banana Republic, so this is a very easy way of actually trying out brands that are high-end or high street at a very cheaper price. So if you want to shop from Banana Republic, we know most of the items go for $50, $60, $70. Some of them, even a dress, is for about $120. So Banana Republic is more like a designer brand, and if you want to just dip your hand into it, Pro is an option for you to get a feel of what Banana Republic items actually feel like. So this is a very nice top. The only issue I have with it is that I'm wearing it backwards. You guys will see. This is supposed to be in front, and you can see how deep plunging it is. Who's gonna wear that? It was even a little bit bigger that I got it tailored. Like, I cannot imagine. So the only way I can wear this top out is to wear it backwards. So I'm definitely going to be walking it backwards. So it's going to be giving me a little bit of sexiness at the back. So that's how I'm going to be wearing this top. Another item I got is this Nicole brown bag. This one came with a tag. I love the bag. When I saw it, I was like, after, for me, for all the top, for the outfit, I was like, they're just there. But this one, look at, very nice handbag. I do my own and I ensure I get bags because bags are my thing. So this bag is really nice. Nicole brown save. Also, this is also a UK brand. Very nice grey handbag because this is a very nice neutral bag to carry. It's a shoulder bag. It came with his tags. I've removed it, so the chains come with it. So it's a nice shoulder bag. So if you don't mind, but it's quite long, then it's a crossbody bag too. So I love this bag. The bag can fit in as much as possible. It can fit in your essentials. It's a very nice work bag too. So if you're looking for a bag that you will fit in your essentials for work, just the basics, your lipstick, your notepads can also fit in because it's wide enough. Your pen, your phone, this will definitely fit into this Nicole brown bag. I love the bag. Very simple and chic. And the reason I even like this bag is because you can look at the color. Very beautiful. You can easily style it with any pieces in your closet without picking colors. Like if you were wearing an all white look, you can carry this bag. An all black look, you can carry this bag. This bag is giving out a very pastel blue color, but it's actually gray, very light gray color. So I'm loving this look. It goes so well with this my outfit. You see me wearing this with my outfit in the inside, so you guys should get your eyes ready for this. Next item I got is this long maxi dress. Okay, truthfully, when I saw it on the website, I loved the fact that it's neat, it's a little bit ripped, and it's nice. So you can see the rib detail when I wear it. It's a very nice dress, and the fact that I just envisioned it to be a bodycon dress for lounging at home. That's why I got it. But when it was going to be very maxi, you will see the look in inside. A very maxi gown. Yes, it's going to be a perfect lounging outfit, a perfect work from home outfit if you do your work from home. And this is Zara. We all know that Zara is is also pricey if you're shopping for high street brand. So getting the thrift option for Zara, it gives you a feel of how Zara really is. For the sizing of Zara, I would say okay, this is kind of okay because I went for a size medium and it fits perfectly. It has a stretch, so it will definitely fit you. I am typically a medium, so this is true to size. When it comes to this dress, you will see the full look in the inside. this dress is basically for me to lounge, run my errands, or going out. That I have a hangout that may be coming up sooner. I may choose to wear this dress, just very very model of duty outfits that you can just wear when you're going out. This you can just dress down with your slides and you're off to your anywhere you're going to, or you can dress it up with a pair of heels and it will still make sense. Add your accessories, your jewelry and all that, and to move from normal work from home outfits or lounging outfits to party outfit. It depends on you and the vibe you're going for this dress. So I like dresses that can easily wear, dress up and dress down. And if it's a very cold day, you can add a blazer to it or a jacket over it, and this will be giving you a very chic look. So definitely I'm going to show you guys the look in the inside. A nice bodycon dress. I was even considering cutting it to make it a middle length dress, but I think I love the vibe it's giving for a maxi dress. So when you're checking Pre-One website, look at the item. So it may be a maxi skirt or a maxi gown, so you know what you're actually getting, because these items were not modeled on a mannequin or modeled on a human figure for you to really tell the length, the shape and how it goes. They were just the way it is pasted like that. I will show you guys like a preview of how the website is. So but yes, when it comes to my review of this website, I'll give it at the end of this video. The last item I got is this dress. Like, that's the reason I say you should pay attention to the details of whatever you see on Pre-One website, because you wouldn't even really tell if it's going to be what you really want or something you really love until it arrives. So pay attention. So this is also from Zara. It's a nice evening dress. So the design that came with it comes with something that look like it's styled, looking like a ruche detail at the bottom of it, but it's not really ruche. It just feels so awkward. So what did I do? I had to get it tailored and to cut it off. So now it's a middle length dress. So it has the button detail at the back, very very easy to style. This is a very nice green dress, and you guys know I love green on this channel. I think I'm beginning to collect too much green in my closet and I'm like, this is becoming creepy. So I still can accommodate this green in my closet, definitely. So this is a very nice green. I love the detail at the back. Very nice evening dress. So for me to dress up this look, like we had the belt, definitely a black belt to just give it a nice elevated look. I'm loving how this dress turned out eventually after I got it tailored, because the initial look first it was quite big. So for the sizing of Zara, I'm not the only one that I've noticed that a medium in Zara can be all over the place. A medium for this is supposed to be a t-shirt dress, which I'm wondering why they call this a t-shirt. This is a normal shift dress. So a medium for this dress, it's not true to size because it was very big, like it was wearing a size 10. Why this one is also a medium and it was true to size. So I'm wondering what's the correlation. So it just goes to show that for Zara sizing, it's always all over the place. Well, so let's say what's my overall review of the pieces I got from Pre-One. For the Nicole Brown bag, I love the bag. Like, I was so excited to see the bag. It's giving me the vibe of the very puzzle bag. No, not really puzzle bag design, but like inspired by the same size, just that it doesn't have a longer strap, and the puzzle design is not really puzzle, but just give me that very puzzle bag like vibe. So I was like, I had to add this to cart. So this is my favorite of them all. Then for the outfits, my favorite is this maxi dress. You guys will definitely see it in the inside why I love it. Like, if you don't really have a shape, so because when it comes to my own body type, I will not really say I'm a figure, I will not say I am figure 8. I will say more maybe I don't really know how my body size is because I'm actually from dating recently, but this gives me an illusion of shape, makes it feel like I have hips, I have a little bum, that's the reason I'm liking this dress for me. So my favorite for dresses and outfit I got is this. My least favorite is this top I'm wearing, because why? What is this? What is this? Anyway, so that's my overall review of Pre-One. So Pre-One website, I would say when you are trying to check out high street brands that you know that you don't want to buying now just because of, you know, the current inflation and all that, but you just want to have a feel of it, definitely check out Pre-One for this item, because you get to see and feel them at a very budget friendly price. Some of them £4, £5, £6, it depends. This is the most expensive of them all, and this is the most disappointing of them all, because it is actually Banana Republic. Banana Republic is quite expensive. So yes, I will still be shopping on Pre-One, just because there are still some nice designer pieces I want to dip my leg in, like the Ralph Lauren and all that. So I want to check them out, but this time at an... So guys, if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you another time.